Hi guys, welcome to Wesbytes channel. My name is Hong Hong. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use our control panel after you purchase a Windows VPS with us. So let's get started. Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your Windows VPS by using our user interface after you purchase the VPS with us, Wesbytes. Alright, so first we go to our wesbytes.com, which is our Wesbytes webpage here. Okay, and we go to the login button here. Okay, so and then we log into our account, so we enter our email address. Okay. Alright, and then you type in your password. So that then you click on the login button. So after you log in into your account, it will show you the client homepage, which is this page, and at here you can check your invoice. Alright, so we go to access our Windows VPS, so we click on the services here. Okay. Alright, so then after that we go search for our Windows VPS, which is this one, and we click on the product name instead of this link. Right, we click on the product name. Right, so after you click on the product name, it will lead you to this manage product page, and at the top here you can see registration date, recurring amount, and so on. Right, so the info is stated up here. Okay, so and as you can see here is stated active, so your Windows VPS is activated. Right, so you scroll down here, then you can click on the additional information. Okay, so this is the operating system you choose. Okay, so the version, Windows Server. Right, so we go back to server information. Okay, so now I'll explain the function in the Windows VPS Management here. Alright, so for the first one, which is the host name. Okay, so for the host name, actually Windows version, we cannot change the host name here. Alright, so if you want to do so, you need to go to the Active Directory to make change. Okay, so that's for the host name. Then next we go to the change password. Okay, so for here you can change your password by typing a new password here, and then just retype again the password. Then just click on the change password button. Okay, just to remember, after you click on the button, you need to turn off the VPS and then start the VPS. Right, then next we go to the IPs. Okay, so for the IPs, if you previously purchased one IP, so it will only show one IP address here as your primary IP. So if you previously purchased multiple IP, so it will show it a list here. Okay, so you can choose whichever you want to make it the primary IP. Okay, if you want to change the primary IP also can. You can just select another IP address and set it as your primary IP address. Okay, so after you click on the button, you also remember to turn off your VPS and then start your VPS. Right, so and then next we go to the OS reinstall here. So if you want a clean installation or you want to reprogram your OS system, so you can go do it by Reinstall OS here. Okay, so for the Windows version, we have multiple version for the Windows Server. Right, so you can choose the version you want. Okay, and then just type in your password and retype your password again here. Okay, and then just click on the reinstall button. For the control panel, different from Linux, Windows actually doesn't have the control panel. Okay, so we will skip on this part. Then next we go to the monitoring. Right, so for the monitoring, as you can see here, got the CPU. Right, so show you the CPU utilization. Okay, so and then the memory RAM usage. Okay, so you can check it here. And then your hard disk space. Also have the networking speed. Alright, so you can check the info here at the monitoring. Then we go to the logs. Alright, so at the logs here you can check the status whether it's successful or not. Okay, so as well as the task and the date. Okay, so this is for the logs. Okay, then we go to self shutdown. Okay, Alright, so for this, if you want your VPS to shut down by itself, so you can set a timeline here. Okay, so after you give a timeline, and then your VPS will shut down according to the timeline you've given. Alright, then you can set your timer after you click on the save button here. Okay, so this is for the shutdown. Okay, so then we go to the last one, which is the reverse DNS. Okay, so for the reverse DNS, you can enter your domain name here, right? And then after that, just click on the add reverse DNS button. So it will point back to this IP address. Alright, so for the reverse DNS is important for the email purpose. So if you want to send out your email by using your VPS, okay, so you need to configure this RDNS. So if you didn't configure the reverse DNS, the email system will actually block you because they don't know where is the IP send it from. Alright, so this is important for the email purpose. Okay, so this is for RDNS. Alright, so that's all for the function at the VPS management here. Okay, so and then now we go to access our Windows VPS. So we do it by clicking this PNC, and then we click on the launch HTML5 PNC clamp. Okay, so after that, then we go to here and then we click on the select. Okay, and then we enter our password here. Alright, so if you want to track your memory, you want to track your RAM memory and hard disk, and then you just go, okay, let's go for the Task Manager. Right. Then at the performance here, okay, so at here you can check your memory usage, okay, and the CPU. Right. So that's all for the Windows VPS. Okay, and thank you for watching.
Alright guys, so now you know how to use our control panel after you purchase a Windows VPS from this video. So if you still have any question you wanna ask, feel free to leave it down below. And also remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye!